Export Credit Guarantee Agency of Oman is involved in the promotion of Omani non-oil exports through its valuable credit insurance guarantee and financing services in support of the exporters. Mr. Nasir bin Issa Al-Ismaili's professional career started as the development banker and subsequently as an export credit expert. He joined the Oman Development Bank in 1979, a year after it started its operations. He was involved with various aspects of project financing activities. He was actively involved in many of the industrial and development projects since their inceptions, and he saw them through to fruition. He has worked with the Oman Development Bank for 14 years, till 1991, to various senior positions. Mr. Nasir Al-Ismaili then headed the Export Credit Guarantee Agency of Oman since 1992 till now. As the general manager of the agency, he has been actively involved in attracting many existing and new exporters, while seeing the volume of its business significantly growing. This is supported by the remarkable growth of Omani non-oil exports from 96.6 million Omani Rial in 1992 to more than 3.8 billion Omani Rial, which is the highest historical level it has reached to date. Under Mr. Al-Ismaili's leadership, Export Credit Guarantee Agency of Oman promoted the concept of credit insurance. Mr. Al-Ismaili has actively contributed immensely toward the agency's success and accomplishments, and managed the agency through the years effectively by meeting its dual objective of promoting Omani non-oil exports, while at the same time remaining self-sustaining. As of the end of 2013, the agency's capital, retained earnings and reserves were more than double its original capital of 7 million Omani Rial. It is one of the leading export credit agencies in the MENA region. It is worth mentioning that Mr. Al-Ismaili was appointed in September 2000 as a regional coordinator and chairman of the Africa Middle East Group, as well as a member of the General Steering Committee of the Credit Alliance Network, which is an international association of credit insurance and ECAs headquartered in Paris. He hosted the first Credit Alliance regional meeting in Muscat, Oman in March 2001, which was the very first meeting held outside of Paris. He held that position for 6 consecutive terms till June 2006. He was also the first recipient of the John Mayers Award, presented by the Credit Alliance in 2001 in Vienna, Austria, which was awarded to him during its annual meeting for his distinguished and active contribution in support of the Credit Alliance. In June 2009, he was elected as the chairman of the Prague Club of the Bern Union, which is International Union of Credit and Investment Insurers of ECAs from Europe, Middle East, Africa and Asia, and held its chairmanship until December 2011. He also hosted the Prague Club of the Bern Union meeting in Muscat, Oman, twice, that is in 2006 as well as in 2011, when the agency was at the same time celebrating its 20th anniversary. Mr. Al-Ismaili is an internationalist who strongly cherishes cooperation with many of the export credit agencies and other development banks and institutions in many other countries. The agency is an active member of the Oman Union, that is an association of Islamic ECAs, as well as a member of Adfiap since June 2009. Amongst many other activities, he has compiled and contributed a number of articles on exports, credit insurance, credit risk management, and so forth in the Ecga of Oman quarterly news bulletin. Mr. Al-Ismaili is also a member of the board of directors of the First Mazoon Fund, involved with various investment activities, and he is also a member of the Oman Economic Association. The Export Credit Guarantee Agency of Oman is honored that Mr. Nasir bin Issa Al-Ismaili has been adjudged as the Distinguished Person of the Year, awarded by the Association of Development Financing Institutions in Asia and the Pacific, ADFI-AP. It is our honor to bestow upon him this prestigious award.